Alright, so if you want to turn written text into real-sounding audio without recording your own voice, yeah, you can do that for free using AI tools now. With Dola AI, you can convert text to speech in just a few clicks. So in 2026, let's go step by step and do it using the free version. First, open Dola AI in your browser or app. You'll land on the main dashboard with different AI tools. Now click on the text-to-speech option. This is the tool that converts your written script into audio. Next, paste or type your script into the text box. Make sure your text is clear and properly formatted for better voice output. Now choose a free voice option like basic male or female voices. Adjust speed and tone if available. Slower for storytelling, faster for short content. If supported, choose your language or accent for more natural sound. Now click Generate. Dola AI will process your text and create an audio voiceover. Listen to the output carefully. If something sounds off, adjust your text or settings and try again. Once you're satisfied, download the audio file. So yeah, that's how to convert text to speech using Dola AI for free in 2026. Fast, simple, and perfect for voiceovers without recording your own voice.